Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, this is some work we're doing on pie charts. Okay, clip 86, grade D. Patrick asked some of his colleagues which was their favorite holiday destination. Table below, table shows the results. So we have here the data, city, and the frequency means how many. What we need to first of all work out is what is the total frequency. So, okay, can you work that, please? So we need to know how many data items we have altogether. So we say 9 add 1 will give you 10. 10 add 15 that'll give you 25. 25 add another 15 will give you 40. 25 add 15 will give you 40. So we have 40 data items or 40 people. So we use a little stick and represent people. Now we have to represent these 40 people on this pie chart. So this is how I would like you to think about it. Let's have a look if I can demonstrate it this way. Okay. Like a brush. So what we need to do here, we have got $40 people in the pie chart, in this circle. That 40 people represents how many degrees in the pie chart? How many degrees in the pie chart? How many degrees in the pie chart? 360 degrees. So the 40 people is we have to represent into the pie chart. That represents 360 degrees of the pie chart of the circle itself. Now what we need to work out, what each person's angle value is, how much they are worth on the pie chart. So we have to start from here, from the people. And we've got to work out from 40, we've got to work out the value of 1. So this is the bit that we want to work out. Now this looks like a ratio question. What we do on the left hand side, we must do on the, okay, so 40 to 1, what do we do? How do we get 40 to 1? Using only the words multiply and divide. You can't use add and minus. We divide by what? To make any number down to 1, we divide the number by itself. So 40 divided by 40 is 1. What we do on the left, we do on the right. So 360 divided by 40. So let's have a look. So 360 divided by 40, we don't need to use a calculator. So what we can do now, so 360 divided by 40, we divide the top by 10, by the bottom by 10. Okay. Yeah. There was 36 divided by 4, so divide that by 4, and divide that by 4. So that tells us that each person is worth how many degrees? 9 degrees. 40 fits into 369 times 9 degrees. So we now know that our multiplier for the frequency is on each one. So in a sense, what we can do is we can add another box here. Just adding another layer over here. So what we can do, we can now start looking at those numbers. So we have 8 times by 9. Okay, all that give us? 72. Okay. So what we're working at now is the angle. So So if 7 times by 9, that will give us.
63.
Now, let's do the easier one. First of all, 1 times by 9 will give us 9. And 9 times by 9 will give us 81. Okay. 15 times by 9. We're going to work that out. First of all, let's do 10 times by 9. 10 times by 9 is?
90.
And then we do 5 times by 9, which is?
40.
5 times by 9 is?
Oh,
45. And 90 plus 45 will give us? 135 degrees. Now, we need to add all these up. Let me just quickly pause this video and just get jump. Okay, so what I've done here, I've switched on the calculator. I've added up these values in purple, the angles, and as you can see from the calculator display, we have got the correct solution of 360 degrees. Now, all that's left now is to measure the angles and draw them on the circle. Okay, each time you measure an angle, you restart from that point and you move forward. I don't have any software tools to show you how to measure the angles for the moment. Okay, so we're gonna have to leave this video here for the moment. Okay.